Hello students, today we will learn about Introduction to C. C is a general purpose programming language developed of USA in 1972. It was named C because many of its features were derived from an earlier language called B, which according to Ken Thompson was evolved from BCPL, Basic Combined Programming Language. In 1988, ANSI, American National Standards Institute, adopted a new and improved version of C, which is known as ANSI-C. The language C was developed to rewrite the Unix operating system. Today, most of the programs that run under Unix are written in C. Alright students, let me know more. Turbo C, Borland C, Power C, Quick C, and ANSI-C are the various versions of C compilers available till date. The latest version of C is C99. Before moving forward, let us first discuss about features of C. C is quite popular as it is reliable, simple yet powerful language. It has been used to create most of these software application products for last 15 years. The code written in C can be compiled on other computers also. C is a robust language. It has a rich set of built-in functions and operators that can be used to write any complex logic program. C is a middle-level language as it combines the capability of an assembly language with the features of high-level language. And therefore, it is well suited for writing both system software and business packages. More than 70% of the code written for Windows 7 has been written in C. Programs written in C are efficient and fast due to its variety of data types and powerful operators. C is highly portable. This means that C programs written for one computer can be run on another with little or no modifications. C is well suited for structured programming language, where a problem can be divided in terms of functions, modules, or blocks. This modular structure makes the program debugging, testing, and maintenance easier. Another important feature of C is the ability to extend itself. It means that we can add our own functions to the existing C library. Students, do you know C is a case-sensitive language, therefore uppercase and lowercase alphabets are treated differently. Students, let us talk about the C compiler. Before you start writing a program in C, you need to have a C compiler in your computer, which translates the program into machine language. It has a built-in preprocessor which processes the source code before it is passed to the compiler for compilation. C program code, also known as source code, is automatically saved with an extension C. After saving the program code, inbuilt files are included to manipulate the functions contained in a program. After that, it is compiled and converted to an object file with an extension .obj, and then only library and inbuilt object files are linked together to form an executable file with an extension .exe. Students, can you quickly reply, what is the extension of object file in C? Let us learn about applications of C language. It can be used for operating systems, network drivers, language compilers, interpreters, modern programs, assemblers, database management systems, text editors. Students, can you quickly reply, what is a programming language? Let us understand fundamentals of C. The basic elements which are used to construct a simple C program are the C character set, constants, keywords, identifiers, variables, expressions, and statements. Let us see how these elements can be combined to form more comprehensive program components. Character set. A character can be an alphabet, digit, or any special symbol which is used to represent information. The given table represents the list of characters available in C. Students, let us know more. Each unit in a C program is known as C token. Constants. Constants are the quantities whose values do not change during the execution of a program. These values can be digits or characters. For example, 12 minus 22.5, 7.5, Blue Jay, Ronit, etc. Constants are of two types. Constants, numeric, character. In numeric, integer, real. In character, single, string. Numeric constants. These values can be integer numbers or real numbers. For example, minus 12, 20, 42, 5325, etc. are integers, whereas minus 7.86, 1.55, 0.756, etc. are real numbers. Character constants. These constants can be a single character or multiple characters. Single character. A single character constant contains a single character enclosed within a pair of single quotes. For example, P, 4, etc. String constant. It contains a sequence of characters enclosed within double quotes. Example, Gibbs, welcome to the world of C, etc. Students note the fact file. Constants are also known as literals. Keywords. Keywords are the reserved words in programming which are predefined by the software developer for some specific purpose. The keywords cannot be used as variable names or functions, etc. C keeps a small set of keywords for its own use that have fixed meaning. While writing the code, if a user writes a word which is not understood by the compiler, it raises an error. Since C is a case-sensitive language, that is why all the keywords should be written in lowercase. The following table shows the commonly used keywords in C. Let us have a look at C keywords. Identifiers. Identifiers are the names given to C entities such as variables, functions, and structures, etc. These are the user-defined names, for example, int add int number. C identifiers follow some rules that are defined below. The name of an identifier can include alphabets, digits, underscore, and the $sign. The first character must be an alphabet or an underscore. It should never be a C keyword. An identifier should not contain any space or punctuation marks. An identifier can be of any length. However, the first 31 characters of an identifier are discriminated by the compiler. So, the first 31 letters of two identifiers in the program should be different.